Are index funds still the best investment? Or has that ship quietly sailed while nobody was paying attention? Because for years, index funds have been the go-to answer for almost everyone. Welcome to the Simply Speaking About Money video channel. It is here where we talk about budgeting, saving, and investing in the real world of probabilities, and not the crazy hype, noise, and lottery-like promises of possibilities. Low cost, low effort, historically solid returns. Basically, the set it and forget it of investing. Almost suspiciously simple. But today, let's take a step back and ask a better question. Are index funds still the best choice, based on probabilities? Index funds became popular for a reason. They give you instant diversification across hundreds of companies. They have extremely low fees compared to actively managed funds. And over long periods, they've outperformed most professional investors, which, if we're being honest, has to sting just a little for the professionals. So for decades, the advice has been simple. Buy the market, stay consistent, don't overthink it. But recently, some cracks, or at least concerns, have started to show. A large portion of index fund performance is now driven by a handful of companies, meaning the diversification might not be as evenly spread as people think. Markets have also become more volatile in shorter time frames, and changing interest rates and inflation are shifting how different sectors perform. So no, it's not quite as simple as just buy everything and walk away forever. One criticism is that index funds are becoming too popular. When everyone buys the same thing, prices can become inflated. Some argue this could create distortions in the market. Others say passive investing reduces price discovery. But it's important not to overreact to these arguments. Because here's the reality. Most active investors still fail to consistently beat the market. Even with all the changes, that hasn't really changed. Despite what your coworker or your cousin might confidently tell you, index funds still provide broad exposure and simplicity. And they still work very well for consistent, long-term investing. So are index funds still the best investment? For most people, the answer is still yes. Not because they're perfect, but because they offer the best balance of risk, cost, and simplicity. They align with a probability-based approach, instead of trying to outguess the market, which, historically, has not gone well for most people. The real advantage isn't the index fund itself. It's your behavior. Budget, save, and invest consistently. That's what actually builds wealth over time. If you want to build wealth without hype, stick with strategies based on probabilities, not possibilities, because in investing, simple and consistent still wins most of the time. Budgeting is step one. Investing is step two. That's where Acorns comes in. Acorns helps you start investing automatically, even with your spare change. It rounds up your everyday purchases and invests the difference into diversified portfolios built for long-term growth. You don't need thousands of dollars. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start. When you pair smart budgeting with automatic investing, you build momentum, and momentum builds wealth. If you're ready to make your money work while you sleep, check out the link in the description to get started with Acorns Affiliate Disclosure. I may earn a commission if you sign up using my link at no extra cost to you. If you found value in today's video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to Simply Speaking About Money so you never miss practical strategies that help you build wealth and make smarter financial decisions. Also, check the description box below for the financial tool we recommend related to today's topic. It's a resource we personally suggest because it can help you apply what you've just learned and take action immediately. Your support helps this channel continue bringing you clear, no-hype financial education. Now stay with us, because up next is a special bonus that can help you take this even further.